In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize an image in Gimp. So the first thing you want to do is of course have an image inside Gimp already, and then the first thing you want to do is click on the image and go to Image up here on the bar, and then look for Scale Image here in the middle, and then you want to click on it. And as you can see over here, you can change the image size, so the width and the height. Now you can change it in pixels, percent, inches, and all of the below over here. Okay, as you can see, you have many options. Now let's say I want to change this to 180 by 720. As you can see, it's set as default because this link has been enabled, but if I disable it by just simply clicking on it, I can change the width without the height being changed, okay, as you can see. But I suggest if you're trying to resize something that you leave this on, so when the width resizes, the height does too, and vice versa, okay. So let's say I want this image to have 1080 by 720 dimensions. I just simply type that in and then click on scale. And as you can see, the image has now been scaled and resized, and that's exactly how you resize an image in Gimp.